We travel through the fairy tales of Ukraine and the world, preserving the love for the culture and traditions of our ancestors. We introduce a fairy tale to the children in a new way. The uniqueness of our method is that we have combined a complex interactive lesson with a fairy tale and expressive art therapy. In the form of metaphor, the child learns the wisdom and secrets of the world. Traveling on the wings of fantasy, our little explorers move through time and space and get acquainted with the history and tradition of different countries and people. In this journey, children are helped by the fairy of science, geometry, math, and art.